Polaris is a wireless smart electric tripod head that allows you to remotely preview, control, and shoot with your camera. You can change your settings, preview your shot, and see the outcome from anywhere. Polaris combines the concept of an electric gimbal and a smart camera controller. It not only precisely controls the shooting angle and desired adjustments, but also allows live preview, parameter setting, and allows you to pre-program shooting motions and modes. Polaris has a built-in AI system with a 64-bit and processor. This, combined with the Linux system, allows the head to independently run operations without relying on the computer power of your smartphone. Combining this chip with the built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, gyro, and compass sensor, Polaris can help capture your most sought-after shot. Via the built-in wireless module of Polaris, users can remotely preview what your camera is seeing through Wi-Fi or cellular network on your smartphone. Combining this with the camera controller built into Polaris, you can remotely control the direction of the camera, change camera settings, and even remotely download your creations from the camera. Are you shooting in extremely tough weather conditions or capturing an extended time lapse? With Polaris remote capabilities, you can start and stop shooting from the comfort of your car or check on the progress of your time lapse from your couch. Polaris adopts a fully integrated design, eliminating the need for tedious wiring and setup process. Since the unit is fully integrated, it can be directly mounted on any tripod or slide rail with the universal 3/8-inch screw on the bottom. When compared to ordinary electric gimbal heads on the market, Polaris differentiates itself by using special brushless geared motors which have higher torsion and higher precision. Even with its compact size, Polaris can handle camera setups of up to 7 kilograms while controlling the movement to the micro degree. In addition, these special motors have extremely low power consumption, only consuming power during rotation. When the motor is static, even with the camera device mounted, Polaris doesn't consume power. When shooting outdoors, weather can be a factor. Polaris exterior consists of aluminum alloy, making it weatherproof, sturdy, and durable. The internal circuitry has an IPX6 water resistance rating. The high torque geared motor has excellent wind resistance. All these enable Polaris to cope with the bad weather commonly found during outdoor shooting. Time-lapse photography has become very popular and is an extremely useful way of telling a story. Polaris allows you to bring more creativity into your time-lapse photography. Thanks to the built-in programming functions, everything about your camera is controllable. Dial in your ISO, aperture, shutter speed, and so on from anywhere. Use this to record time-lapse videos with dynamic changes in the direction of view. At the same time, Polaris can capture panoramic photos and combine them in a variety of ways. These include aligning them to form cylindrical photos, white planes, or spheres. Enable the Super HDR mode so multiple exposure values can be taken and combined into one photo. By combining the data from the built-in GPS, gyroscope, and compass and motor drive, Polaris can intelligently assist with the shooting of special scenes that can be difficult to plan. Sunrises, sunsets, and starry skies used to be particularly hard to capture, but now Polaris makes this easy. When shooting a sunrise or sunset, photographers usually need to choose the most suitable shooting location and angle for the best composition in advance. The Polaris mobile app can simulate the sun's movement and help you to compose the picture before the sun has risen or is close to being set. And then you only need to select where you want the sun frames above the horizon and send it to Polaris. Polaris will take photos automatically at the exact time the sun hits that desired angle. Astrophotography can make for some of the best and most interesting photos, but they can be the most difficult to capture. With the built-in GPS, compass, and gyroscope, Polaris is here to help. There is an interactive star database integrated into the Polaris app. After selecting the stars or system you want to shoot, Polaris will calculate movement based on your location, as well as the star's position. The head will rotate and automatically aim at the target star and automatically track and move to counteract star trails. In addition, Polaris can take multiple exposures and automatically superimposing them to get a high-resolution, high-contrast starry sky photo. Images have always brought on a sense of charm with the stories they tell. We hope that by using modern technology and artificial intelligence, Polaris can bring renewed vitality to them. Being a photography brand with a long history, Benro are working hard to integrate modern technology into our traditional shooting equipment. We constantly work to refine our equipment, now adding intelligence to them, and hope to make photography and videography more efficient and interesting so that every photographer and videographer, regardless of the skill level, can benefit from it.